So you want to effectively
Yeah, I will do that.
That's fine, you
That's it.
Namah Shivaya, Om 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 Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namo, Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namo, Namah Shivaya, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya Namo, Shivaya
I'm recording it at the same time. So I'm recording it at the same time, so it's fine. If it doesn't come through now. Streaming. Oh no, I'll give you a new one. Shit, I'll give you a new one. I have to give you a new one. It's streaming, I have to give you a new one. Because it creates a new channel.
Okay.
முத்தினாலும் சொல்னவனே தூய்மை சுகத்தவனே மன்னவனே சிற்பரனே மன்னவனே சிற்பரனே ஐங்கரன செல்சடையும் சேகரனே தற்பரனே நின்றால் சரணம் சரணம் உலகலாமுனது ஓனக்கும் அறியவர் நீல உலாவிய நீர்மலை ஏறிய ஆலவர் தோழிய அம்பலதாடுவார் மாலத்திகம்பதி வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவோம். திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். நமச்சிவாய வாழ்க, நாதந்தாள் வாழ்க, தீபோஷுதம் நின்றல் தந்தாள் வாழ்க, ஓஷாகி ஆண்ட குருவனிதழ் வாழ்க, ஆகமம் ஆகி நின்ற அன்னித்தன் வாழ்க, வாழ்கவே. திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். Thank you. You may be seated.
share this link with us. I'm gonna share this link because it's a new link. Hola, ma. Hi. Everything's in my office. The keys are in Debbie's room. My PA system, everything is there.
वंदित विनायका आनंददायक विनायका आनंददायक विनायका हे शिवनंदन शुभानना हे शिवनंदन शुभानना साई गणेश विनायका साई गणेश विनायका
साई गणेश साई गणेश 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 साई गणेश विनायका
सुरवने वंदित विनायका
वंदित विनायका
आनंददायक विनायका
आनंददायक विनायका
हे शिवनंदन शुभानना
शिवनंदन शुभानना
साई गणेश विनायका
साई गणेश विनायका
साई गणेश साई गणेश 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 साई गणेश विनायका
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 सुरवने वंदित
विनायका आनंददायक विनायका मानस भजरे गुरु चरणम दोस्तर भवसागर दरणम 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 गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय 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 साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान मानस भजरे गुरु चरणम दोसर भवसागर दरणम मानस भजरे गुरु चरणम दोसर भवसागर दरणम गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय गुरु महाराज गुरु जय जय साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय सत्य साईनाथ सद्गुरु जय जय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिवा ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओंकारं भव ओम नमो भगवान 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 मानस भजरे चरणम दूसर भवसागर गर्दम
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां,
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां।
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां,
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां।
भागेश्वरी भला करो मां,
भागेश्वरी भला करो मां।
भागेश्वरी भला करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी भला करो मां।
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां,
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां,
साईश्वरी रक्षा करो मां।
भागेश्वरी भला करो मां, भागेश्वरी भला करो मां। शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां,
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां।
शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां। जगदीश्वरी दया करो मां, शिव शंकरी कृपा करो मां। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Dear members of the bereaved family, friends, I greet you on behalf of the bereaved family and extend our loving greetings to you. We know that it is a difficult time for all of us, taking into consideration the passing away of our dearest Sven. Dear friends, if you take into account the lives that we live today, with so many deaths on a regular basis, you note that this event is not only on a regular basis, now it's becoming a daily event. And so forth we see here our beloved Sven. We have a program today of devotional songs and tributes as a reverence to our beloved Sven. And I'd like to call upon a very revered figure in the Arafat and Nairi family, is none other than Mr. Dali Naidu. Mr. Dali Naidu is also
ladies and gentlemen, Saram and my humble greetings to all of you. First, a few pointers about my nephew Suren, being the eldest in the Suri Yerana family, and being the darling of everybody in that group. They always look upon him as a leader in any form of life, whether it's a culture, whether it's an organizational activity. His advice, his leadership was always forthcoming, and he led the way. He In addition, in my many interactions with Suren, I've had prayed for his prayers. I found that he was a very, very knowledgeable person on various aspects of life, be it religion, be it politics, be it normal medical. And every time I posed a question to him, owing to his vast reading knowledge, he was always able to give me an answer, a solution to the particular problem that I was talking about, irrespective of what it was. So I found him to be very knowledgeable, very entertaining, astute, and somebody that you can talk to and converse with. I would surely be missing all those attributes of today, and the family as well, who will be missing them. With these few words, I just want to read out a message, a tribute. I want to read out a tribute presented by our cousin Dr. Jaya Virana to Suren. And this is what he says. Tribute to Suren Surya. Om Sai Ram. It is with deep and profound sadness that we have to bid farewell to Brother Suren Surya after 51 years of this earthly domain. Suren was the only son of Leni and the late Rajesh Surya. Suren gained his angel wings yesterday morning. I will always remember Suren as a man dedicated to Shiva. He gave his entire life to the Sai organization and served in various capacities in the Sai mission. Firstly, as a youth Seva convener, thereafter as Seva convener of the Sea-Tide Sai Center. Suren also served on the National Health Team. I have strong and fond memories of Suren, who accompanied me on various trips on our Sai mission. We went to Richards Bay, Ladysmith, Newcastle, amongst other places. Our hearts go out to Lenny today for the devastating loss he is dealing with. Lenny has been a devoted father and has dedicated his life to the well-being and care of his family. He has selflessly nurtured both Rajesh and Suren during the most crucial stages of their illness. Not on a single occasion has he expressed a single harsh thought and any sign of regret, given the emotional stress and strain. He is a man that handled all the trials and tribulations. with the unwavering belief that Swami knows best and will guide him through it. Dear Lenny, all our love and prayers are with you as you move forward from today. But you are not alone. You have the entire Alipavilla clan and our Sea-tight Sai family to lean on and reach out to whenever the need arises. Go well, Suren. I have no doubt that you are basking at the feet of our beloved Bhagwan. Thank you.
Thank you. We will continue bhajans.
विभूति सुंदरनी शंकरा ईश विलासन सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरनी अंबर पेरुमानी
विभूति सुंदरने शंकरा विश्वविलासिनी सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरने अंबर पेरुमानी
विभूति सुंदरने शंकरा ईश विलासन सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरनी अंबर पेरुमानी
विभूति सुंदरने शंकरा विश्वविलासिनी सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरने अंबर पेरुमानी
शूलधारिणी परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
सूलधारणे परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
शूलधारिणी परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
सूलधारणे परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
तूकिया भारत अमर कलेसा तांडव नर राजा
तू गय पाद मामर कलेसा तांडव नच राजा
तूकिया भारत अमर कलेसा तांडव नर राजा
तू गय पाद मामर कलेसा तांडव नच राजा
विभूति सुंदरनी शंकरा ईश्वर विलासन सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरने अंबर पेरुमानी
विभूति सुंदरने शंकरा विश्वविलासिनी सुंदरा शिवगामी महेश्वरने अंबर पेरुमानी
शूलधारिणी परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
सूलधारणे परमेशा शिवगामी नायक जगदीशा
तूकिय पादन अमर कलेसा तांडव नर राजा
तू के अपाद अमर कलेसा तांडव नर राजा
तूकिय पादन अमर कलेसा तांडव नर
Dear friends, can you imagine a house full of 9 grandchildren? Such mischievous events occurred at the granny's house and all our homes, especially at the granny's house, near the swimming pool. To share some of these golden moments, I'd like to call upon one of the grandchild, Mr. Praveen Raman, who hails from Johannesburg and has loved to be here today to share his golden moments. Praveen?
My humble pronounce in the lotus feet of our divine master, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and Om Sai Ram to everyone. I've been afforded the profound privilege of delivering the tribute for my dear late cousin Surya. While compiling this tribute, I was overwhelmed, as can be expected, with the emotions and memories of our lives shared with Surya. During our early childhood, I recall Surya, the eldest cousin, as our fearless leader of the pack, always orchestrating trips to Ashwell swimming pool and the playground during December holidays with all our cousins. He always took it upon himself to ensure that we always had money for entry fees and delicious treats for our trips, demonstrating his lifelong generosity, compassion, and love to giving people a good time. His generosity knew no boundaries, often leading him to declaring insolvency. One of my fondest memories of these trips was one Christmas afternoon, the whole Upper Marvina gang decided to go to for a quick swim at the pool. It was a spur of the moment decision filled with excitement and joy. Then a little while on, along comes Sulen and my late dad, insisting to teach me how to master my swimming strokes. From those tender years, I inadvertently looked up to him as my elder brother. I eventually realized that Sulen generally offers polite counsel to anyone and everyone he meets, attempting to always steer people to happier times. Sulen's dedication and tireless efforts to service to humanity through Swami Seva projects has always been of an exemplary standard, which was an admirable quality and an inspiration to all who knew him. He definitely aspired to Swami's teachings. Hands that serve are holier than lips that pray. He has always been a level-headed, well-rounded, down-to-earth human being, passing on his wealth of knowledge in all aspects of life, leisure, politics, and spiritualism. He never shied from a challenging discussion or a battle of wits related to general knowledge, religious beliefs, and science teachings, politely expressing and asserting his viewpoint. I was often humbly schooled by this master lobbyist, as my father would fondly define Suryan's abilities. Knowing my dad's abundance of general knowledge, this was a huge compliment. In some conversations, I would be like, yo, this dude knows too much. And I would attempt to change the topic to sports or something I was well versed in. Suryan was a devout Sai aspirant who learned, understood, and lived the teachings of Sai to his very last moments. Suryan's unwavering faith and love for Swami is undoubtedly what carried him through the latter years of his life. Suryan's personality has always been one of free spirit, free will, and self motivation, with the attitude of always facing life's challenges head on after hours of self deliberation. His willingness to assist in any task during family events to DIY projects never went unnoticed. His knowledge in DIY tasks was well beyond his years. During the numerous conversations discussing all of his health ordeals in the latter years of his life, he still upheld his self imposed positivity and always ensured us that Swami was with him every step of his journey, helping and guiding him to end up on the right side of these arduous situations. Suryan's always been a devout son who loved the company of his parents. He regularly showered praise upon his parents for their unwavering love and support throughout his life. We all have been blessed to have had a soul like him in our lives, always lending a listening ear to our struggles, providing a quantum of solace to our problems, and amplifying our joys. I'm sure at this moment, Suryan is with Swami and his mom, and I know that he would have something to say, which would be, Dad, thank you for the boundless dedication to being a father, providing loving care and support, especially throughout these last difficult years. An abundance of love, the numerous sacrifices, and most of all for going above and beyond the call. I will always love you and always cherish our lives together. Unquote. Our extended family would also like to thank Uncle Lenny for all he has done for Sunil in the last few years, as we all are aware that this was a superhuman undertaking. Suryan, cuz, thanks for being the type of person we all needed, for sharing your life and your time with us. You will always be remembered and loved. Rest in eternal peace with Swami. Till we meet again, Jai Sera.
Why fear when I am here? Why fear when I am here? So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. Why fear when I am here? All I want is your love, my child. All I want is your faith. All I want is your trust in God, no matter what your fate. All I want is your love, my child. All I want is your faith. All I want is your love in God, no matter what your fate. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. Why fear when I am here? Why fear when I am here? Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Allah, all came to this land. All of them brought the message of love. Love your fellow man. Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Allah, all came to this land. All of them brought the message of love. Love your fellow man. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. Why fear when I am here? Why fear when I am here? The light you see in the dark of night is that of God in man. Find the light that is in your heart and reach the promised land. The light you see in the dark of night is that of God in man. Find the light that is in your heart and reach the promised land. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. So says Baba, Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, my Lord. So says Baba, Satya
Sai Baba, Sati Sai Baba, my Lord.
Right here when I am here.
To Mr. Dagi Naidu, Dr. Jaya Galana, and Mr. Praveen Ramraj, thank you so much for your lovely words. You actually bring back the past of our dear Suren. I'll agree 100% with you that you are no contest when it comes to Suren's knowledge. He was abundance of knowledge, not that he wanted to compete, but he had this love and he had this concern about our ignorance of politics, of spiritual matters, you name it. He had an answer for it. It is all through his love for us. And he wanted to update us constantly of what's happening around. No matter whatever it is, Suren knew it. In every family, I guess, there is this person who you have to go to. And Suren was our go-to person when you wanted to know something. He was such a helpful person. I know that he was an electrician, a technician, and many times I asked him, Suren, you are a business guy, and you don't charge your price. How are you going to sustain yourself? That was Suren's love for humanity. Free sometimes. You travel miles and miles and miles to do something for the person that he loves. Not only the person that he loves, I think for the whole of humanity. Dear friends, we are grateful today to have our local Swamiji from the Sea Tides Ashram, and he will now address us because Suren was also close to the Swamiji and he shares some golden moments with us. Thank you.
Dear Brother Lenny and family, friends, relatives, and devotees of Bhagwan, I, on behalf of the devotees and officials and members and trustees of the Shivananda Vedanta Institute, convey our heartfelt condolences to all of you. This sad news of Suren leaving his physical world so soon to go to his eternal abode brings pain to our hearts. We pray to God to give us all the necessary strength to heal emotionally from this most painful loss, especially Brother Lenny and the extended family. I've been associated with Brother Lenny and Suren and family from the time the ashram started in Sea Tides, when we used to have many sadhana camps at our ashram. I still remember in the early days, he was so active in all sadhana camps, and he was also there for any seva project with so much of love and enthusiasm, which was so natural in him. These qualities passed down from his noble and divine mother, Rajas, and his father, Lenny, who were his role models, truly transformed his life. It is a great lesson for all of us to learn that parents must live and lead the way, and the children will be inspired to follow. This must be done at a very early age for greater success. We have seen this in Suren's life. He was blessed in his lifetime that he had an avatar, Satya Sai Baba, as his guru. When he was well, he played a very important role in the divine work and mission of Bhagwan Baba and always did his best in all seva projects when working with other devotees. His spirit of cooperation was praiseworthy and an inspiration to other devotees. It was this type of cooperation that gave success to all the seva projects undertaken by Sea Tides branch of the Satya Sai organization. For many years I knew him, and I don't remember him refusing me for any help I needed. He will go out of his way to accommodate my request and worked in a spirit of obedience and surrender to the divine mission.
He worked silently and did not like to be in the limelight. It was between him and Bhagwan. Such devotees are rare in our community. He leaves a void that only divine grace can fill as a devotee. All devotees who have a guru will be taken care of in the next world after they leave this world and enter the astral world of the souls. We all are devotees and can rest. We all, as devotees, can rest assured that he is in a better world, free from the pains and strains of this mortal world. He was simple, humble, kind, virtuous, and without any traces of complexes. He always shared his parents' vision. He found immense joy in meeting devotees and sharing spiritual experiences. God is bound by his own law of cause and effect to reward all his silent sacrifices made over the years to serve the divine mission. Today it is our prayer to Bhagwan to shower his grace upon his spiritual son and bestow moksha upon his soul. May his soul rest in peace. Dear ladies and gentlemen and beloved devotees, I think on an occasion like this, I should also share a few thoughts on the phenomena of death. Those who have a guru are fortunate in that the transcendental knowledge is taught to them. We as mortals living in this world totally identify with the physical body. When you have a guru, he makes you aware the scriptural knowledge given out by the subjective scientists, our saints, and great prophets and avatars. That knowledge makes you aware that within this physical body, there is something which you cannot see but that animates the body. Often, the great philosophers, when they are talking, they say, what is in the hand that is not the hand that makes the hand to move? So there is something that you cannot see. And when you are a devotee of Bhagwan, through satsang and sadhana, a process of purification takes place, and your inner eye of intuition opens, where you'll be able to see that which you cannot see with the physical eye. What you see with the physical eye is the relative truth, but the absolute truth is different. And the common example that I can give you is with your physical eyes, you can see that the sun is rising and setting. But it is not true, the sun doesn't rise and set. With your eye of knowledge, you can see that the sun doesn't rise and set, which appears to be true. And you are static. This appears to be true when you are in motion and not the sun. So what you see with your physical eye and what your mind reports to you is quite different from which is the ultimate truth. And by having a guru, he gives you the knowledge, and through satsang and sadhana, as you purify yourself, you come from tamas to rajas, rajas to sattva, sattva to transattva, and when that inner eye open, you are able to see the imperishable within the perishable. So when that happens, you know that one aspect of your physical body does not die. And that is referred to as the soul or the spirit or the consciousness. So the consciousness as the body. The body does not have a consciousness. Just like the ocean as waves. The waves can't have the ocean. So this is all-pervading consciousness that animates the entire existence, the billions of and trillions of galaxies that are floating in the vast expanse of space. It's animated by that unseen power which we call Brahman or the all-pervading consciousness. And that consciousness pervades every atom of your personality and it does not die. But what is the proof of that? Everyone can talk about it. But is there any proof? Is there any evidence? Recently, there was a young African boy in one of the African countries. He knew hundreds of verses of the Quran by heart. And that family were staunch Christians. And they think, what's our child only repeating the Quran? They say, we don't like the Quran, we like the Bible. But from where did that child's memory come, a 4 or 5-year-old child look, number of verses of the Quran by heart. It's a revelation, the memories of the previous birth, all is manifesting here. There was a Muslim child who remembered his previous birth. And whenever his mother used to give him a hiding, he'd say, no, I want to go back home. I want to go live with my wife and children. So they were very, very amused at the little boy's reaction. So one day the father said, no, leave him. He wants to go to his wife and children. We'll ask him where they are and we'll take him. And he pointed the way, and they went and went and went, and finally they found a flat. A lot of flats were there. He jumped off the car and he went flying to the 10th floor of a building and went and hugged an old lady and began to ask of all the children. He remembered his previous birth wife, he remembered Muslim child. So there are many, many cases like that. So this proves to us there is one aspect of our personality that does not die. So only how this can be seen when the spiritual eye opens through satsang and sadhana. It's not that the people are just singing and enjoying and playing the tabla. No, it is a scientific approach to open that inner eye, and when that inner eye opens, you get to know that you are not this body, you are not the mind, you are not the intellect, but everything is then living by the pure consciousness, and you are that consciousness. And when you make that discovery that you don't die, it is called moksha. Thank you. I think you can reflect over those greatest truths from our scriptures. Thank you.
Dear friends, we are actually blessed today to have great souls like Swamiji, and the next speaker who comes from a Christian background, Swamiji also alluded to that, is our own Pastor Ryan Naidu, family member, a great figure in the Alapha and Naidu family. I have great pleasure in calling upon Pastor Naidu to address us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you. A very good day to all of you. You know, I just wanted to start off by saying I'm so thankful to be here. As much as I'm so thankful to be here today and meet family members, I think it's one of the saddest days in our life. Saddest days for the Surya Naidu family. Very, very sad. I feel with the family. Not long ago, Rajesh passed on. Now the son passed on. I could imagine what my brother, you know, as much as I look at him as my brother, I look at him as my nephew also that passed on, you know. So it's a saddest day for all of us, and we feel with you and the family members, we feel with you guys today. And like I said, you know, and the Master of Ceremonies did well by saying, I'm a church minister. Thank you very much, Swami. Thank you for your beautiful words of encouragement. We appreciate that. Life is like a shadow. That's why they say, who shall know the end thereof? It's like vapor. You know, like vapor. It comes for a moment, you see it, and it disappears. Here's this young man. You know, whenever I went to Tongat to visit Lenny, and he was always there. We have some wonderful time of fellowship. Syrian is not about, you've been very, very fortunate in life. Believe me, I'm telling you. You've been very, very fortunate to have a son like him. Syrian wasn't about himself. It wasn't about him and what he wants to do. He always worried about other people. This is why he was born in a Sai Baba Gudi, you know. Whenever I went there, when we were speaking, believe me, I'm telling you, this guy is above knowledge. He was clued up. As much as I come from a spiritual background, he totally agreed with me. Both of us spoke a common language. It's all about other people. I want to tell you, Lenny, today, brother, you know, this boy wasn't about himself. He worried about other people. He was more concerned about how others were than himself. So that's a wonderful accolade, for us to at least to be thankful and be proud of. That this boy never worried about himself. It wasn't about him. Today it's so sad to see where he is now. Where he is now. I always ask myself, what is life? Is life a vapor? Life a shadow? You know, Swami did well there by giving us some explanation. You know, this coffin here, you probably think is here. It's not here. I mean, life continues from a biblical perspective or whichever religion. Life, you can't kill life. This boy is not dead, he's alive. The only thing is, life on earth is ended. Life on earth. But his life continues after his journey on earth. So his journey on earth has come to an end. But his life continues. Where he is, what he's doing, your guess is as good as mine. But one thing I do know, because of his art, because of the type of heart that he had, he'll be in a better place. I believe because of the heart that he had, heart for other people, he'll be in a better place. Len, generally, I like to shake people's hands or give you a hug. I don't feel that way right now. I don't feel like a hug. I don't feel like shaking a hand. The only thing I like to do now is fold my arms, to lay it to you, to make like this, and to say to you, Lenny, only God can help you, not anybody. As much as you have family, we'll all be around you, we'll give you the support, but only one person can help you. And I fold my both hands today and say to you, and I think this congregation will agree with me. If anybody can help you in your life, only God. But thank God for the type of son that you raised. Thank God for the way you taught him. I've heard much about that. Thank God for the wife also, from the way she treated him and the way she taught him. You did a good job. We are proud of you and we want to wish him well in his farewell. In other words, I say to him, goodbye, Suren. Wish you well. Wish you all the best. We want you to know that we love you and will always love you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Aren't we lucky today to have such divine words, such positive words? Dear friends, cousins, relatives, we're almost coming to the end of this function. I think we owe all the speakers, and we thank God for bringing in our two spiritual speakers at the end, who shared so much of knowledge. I can only concur, agree with them about Suren, his simplicity, because he was a very humble soul. Humility is divinity, they say, and I think Suren had it in him. In that, as the Guruji and Pastor mentioned, when you are in that mode, you cannot help but receive the knowledge from the universe. And Suren, I think, received that knowledge. And with his love, he was so angry at times when he was so ignorant, and he wanted to share it with us. So, with that, we are grateful for everything that's been done today. We have our final speaker who will pass or move a vote of thanks and gratitude. She is one of the grandchildren, Mrs. Ishwari Adam. All upon Mrs. Ishwari Adam. Thank you.
Om Sai Ram, and good afternoon, dear family and friends. On behalf of the Surya Naidu and Veerana family, a special thank you goes out to the following individuals and organizations. To Dr. Naren, the family doctor, thank you for your dedication and care for Suren. You went beyond the call of duty when it came to Suren's treatment. We as a family appreciate all that you have done for him. To the Cease-Tag Satya Sai organization, thank you for your prayers, your meals, the checkups, the love and the care that you showed to Suren and Uncle Lenny, especially during the difficult times of Suren's illness. Your love and care is truly appreciated. To the family and friends, both near and far, thank you for the care and concern, especially during Suren's illness. Thank you for the heartfelt messages of condolences and sympathies. Your love, your care, and concern have been felt by all and will give Uncle Lenny the strength to carry on. To our dearest Guru, God bless you. Thank you for carrying out all the final rites for Suren, and thank you for all the lessons that we've learned from you today. To the dedicated staff at Gateway Hospital, thank you for the excellent treatment and care during all of Suren's hospital stays. To Mom, today is not an easy day for you. Having to lay your healthy grandchild to rest, but we want to thank you for all that you have done for him. Even at the age of 91, you found the energy to care and look after him, and for that, we are humbled and we appreciate you. To Uncle Lenny, we thank you for your love, your dedication, and sacrifices that you made. You cared for Suren unconditionally. We as a family can never be thankful enough for everything that you have done, and we bow our heads to you. To all of our loving guests that have attended today to bid farewell to Suren, we thank you. Your presence is truly appreciated. Thank you. God bless you and stay safe.
महादेवने शिव शंकरने नारायण हरि ओम परमात्माय तुलने नारायण हरि ओम महादेवने शिव शंकरने नारायण हरि ओम परमात्माय तुलने नारायण हरि ओम महादेवने शिव शंकरने नारायण हरि ओम परमात्माय तुलने नारायण हरि ओम महादेवने शिव शंकरने Om Namah Shivaya Narayana Hare Gangadharane 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 Vajrayane Shiva Shankarane Narayana Hari Om Paramatmaya Tunani Narayana Hari Om Vajrayane Shiva Shankarane Narayana Hari Om Paramatmaya Tunani Narayana Hari Om Hari Hari Om Shiva Shankara Om Kailasavasa Om Hari Hari Om Shiva Shankara Om Kailasavasa Om Om Namah Shivaya Narayana Hare Gangadharane 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 Vajrayane Shiva Shankarane Narayana Hari Om Paramatmaya Tunani Narayana Hari Om
शिव कुमारने शक्ति मानने वाला शिव कुमारने शक्ति मानने वाला शरवण भव षण्मुख शरवण भव षण्मुख शिव कुमारने शक्ति मानने वाला शरवण भव षण्मुख Sai Baba
साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरे कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे शक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे भक्ति दो मेरे साई शिवा मुझे मुक्ति 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 दो मेरे साई शिवा साई माता पिता दीनबंधु सखा तेरे चरणों में साई मेरा कोटि प्रणाम
परमेश्वरा साई बाबा अभंगो साई नंदलाला
साई बाबा आओ आओ साई नंदलाला
परमेश्वरा साई बाबा अभंगो साई नंदलाला
परमेश्वरा साई बाबा आओ आओ साई नंदलाला
जगदीश कृपा सागरा
जगदीश कृपा सागरा
जगदीश कृपा सागरा
जगदीश कृपा सागरा
परमेश दया सागरा
परमेश दया सागरा
परमेश दया सागरा
परमेश दया सागरा
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Parmeshwara Sai Baba, Baba Sai Nandalala.
Parmeshwara Sai Baba, Ao Ao Sai Nandalala.
Jagadish Kripa Sagara,
Jagadisha Kripa Sagara.
Paramesha Daya Sagara.
Paramesha Daya Sagara.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Jai Jai Sai Ram, bolo Jai Jai Sai Ram.
Parmeshwara Sai Baba, Baba Sai Nandalala.
When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh. When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh.
When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh. When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh.
When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh. When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh.
When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh. When my mind is weak and I need your love, oh sigh.
When I need your smile, when I need your touch, when I need your love, oh sigh. When I need your smile, when I need your touch, when I need your love, oh sigh. Reach out and touch my heart, and I know you love me inside.
Reach out and touch my heart, and I know you love me inside.
Reach out and touch my heart, and I know you love me inside.
Reach out and touch my heart, and I know you love me inside.
When I'm further down, when I'm further pain, when I'm further sorrow long, when I'm further down, when I'm further pain, when I'm further sorrow long, reach out and touch my heart, and I know
know you love me, son. Reach out and touch my heart. And I know you love me, son. Reach out and touch my heart. And I know you love me, son. Reach out and touch my heart. And I know you love me, son. Such a son, my Lord. Such a son, my Lord. Such a son, my Lord of love. Such a son, my Lord. Such a son, my Lord. Such a son, my Lord of love. Come give me peace of mind. I am yours, O such a son. Come and give me peace of mind. I am yours.
Dear family and friends, we've come to almost the conclusion of our program today. The funeral will proceed to the Combat Crematorium on Plain Street for cremation at 1:30. You are most welcome to join us. You've been such a wonderful company at this very difficult hour, and it would be good if you can come over to the crematorium as well. We will now conclude the program with the immediate family offering the last tributes with flowers. I think that it's roses. If you can please come through, I'll hand you over to the priest in